Hey everyone, have you ever wished for a way to heal without scars? Well, scientists might have found a revolutionary solution, and it involves worms. Yep, you heard that right. A team of researchers from Rutgers University and the University of Glasgow have discovered a protein from the Heligmosomoides polygyrus, an intestinal parasitic roundworm that could change wound healing forever. So what's the big deal about scars? While our skin is pretty good at healing minor cuts and scrapes, deeper injuries often leave behind scar tissue. Scars can change our appearance permanently and sometimes even restrict movement. For years, scientists have been on the hunt for ways to enhance healing without those pesky scars. Enter the parasitic worm. These worms naturally infest the intestines of rodents and produce proteins that interact with the host's immune system. One protein in particular, called TGF-beta mimic or TGM, has shown incredible potential. Researchers applied TGM to the injured skin of laboratory mice. And guess what? The results were amazing. Wounds treated with TGM healed faster and showed significantly less scarring. By day 12, the skin looked almost as good as new, with hair follicles even regenerating. Dr. William Gauss, the senior researcher, stated, "In this study, we have developed a novel therapy for the treatment of skin wounds that favors regenerative wound healing over tissue fibrosis and scarring." Imagine that, a worm protein helping us heal better. Of course, this research is still in its early stages. More studies, especially on humans, are needed before we see worm-based treatments in pharmacies. But it's a promising step forward in the world of healing technology. Scientists are also exploring other intriguing methods like 3D printed skin grafts and dressings infused with beneficial bacteria. The goal is to provide better options for recovery, reducing both the physical and emotional impact of scarring. This study's findings were published in the journal Life Science Alliance. If you're curious to dive deeper, you can check it out at the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating updates on science and technology. Until next time, take care.